Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to World Geography with Muhammad Adnan. Today's tutorial is going to be showing you how can you get climate data like rainfall, temperature, humidity. Uh, these are from with the help of Google Earth Pro. As you can see, here is some camel file in the grid form, and these grid will be in subdivided. You can see here it's a big grid, and then it's have a subgrid like that. When you double click on this, so here the option will be get, you click on it, so it will be subdivided into small pages, and each pages will be showing to the dead area, uh, temperature, rainfall, and like this. You can just right click on it and you can see precipitation, temperature, diurnal temperature range, and various pressure. Okay, these four you can get. And what is the dead time of this data? You can click on the data, and this kind panel you will be get from 900, 1900, 1 to 2000 23. Okay, with the months and with the its value. So it's a it's a precipitation, so its unit also mentioned, and its coordinate system, coordinate point like a latitude, longitude also present, and its unit will be millimeter per month. Okay, that's the millimeter, that's the month, and that's the number of observation. Okay, and that's the year wise. So you will simple copy from here, and you can simple control C, and from your mouse copy, and simple go to paste it with a Word and Excel, whatever you want. So I'm simple recommend you can also keep it in Excel uh, by clicking on it. So it's a latest update data you will easily get from it. And here you can see it's come like in a one table. So you will easily convert it with going to the data review and text to column, and it will be simple separate it and finish it. So it will be, I'm just select on one, so that's why only one row converted. If you select on a whole, so whole will be converted. Okay, so that's you need, and it will be separated with a these column wise. Okay, so I'm showing you from where you get it. It's basically the University of Angela, East Angela, University of East Angela. They have a website which will be given in a Google Earth extension form with the latest and with the previous and with a more previous version. It's basically on version wise, and with the year it will be updated as you can see here. So the latest one is that which providing up to 2023. I will share its link in my description of the video, so you will easily get from here, and you will use it for your research and for your papers. Thank you so much for watching videos. For more informative videos, you need to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.